welcome to my another video. It's been a long time. I'm fine. I hope everyone is fine too. Today I would like to show everyone the world's largest Blakiston fish wool bird. This bird lives in Hokkaido areas. It can only be seen in the Shiretoko, Nemuro, Tokachi and Hidaka areas of eastern Hokkaido. The world's largest wool with a total length of 70 cm and wingspan of about 180 cm. It preys on fish and frogs in rivers and lakes. It cannot see during the day like other animals, but it can see better at night. Blakiston fish wool often come to this place. If you like this bird, please come to Hokkaido. This bird is coming near Yuada Daiichi Hotel, Hokkaido. You can stay and see this bird. I think you enjoyed this video. I will coming soon. Next video, Yuada Daiichi Hotel. Please keep in touch my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.